So, yeah, nag-alarm tayo ng 5:35 in the morning para mag-jogging in my running eras. Let's start the day right. Mag-prepare na tayo for jogging. But first, let's fix our bed. The bed is fixed already. Umisa tayo for jogging. Fit check. Shirt from my previous company, and then shorts from TikTok shop, and then short. Let's go. Wow! Ganda guys! Diba? Sinong hindi may inspire mag-jogging dyan? Grabe! Sobrang ganda! Sobrang ganda! Sobrang init natin ko, pero okay lang. Sobrang ganda naman ng background. Diba? May inspire ka talaga mag-jog. Pero napapagod na ako. Hey, kilometers! Kita ba? Three kilometers. Check. Okay na. Okay na to. Charot. So yeah, we're done with our first activities in the morning. Done na tayo mag-jogging. Walk. Done na tayo mag-jog walk. And then, nailakad na din si Conan. And then, nakapag-breakfast na rin. So, next will be, syempre, next natin ay magsha-shower na tayo para mag-ready na tayo for today's shift. So, currently, it's 7:30 in the morning. So, ang ating shift ay 8. So, we're gonna prepare for our shift for today. Actually, it's Friday. Friday, April 4. So, yeah, let's prepare na talaga. Habang pawis na pawis ang ate mo. So, let's prepare na for our ligo time. Ligo time! So, yeah. See you later. So, yeah, we're done with the shower. So, mag-skincare naman na tayo ngayon. So, nakalagin na ako. Kasi before ako maligo, nilalagin ko na yung laptop ko para pag upo ko dito, mag-work na lang. Ayoko kasi talaga nangangarag ako. So, yeah, that will... Parang inaano mo yung self mo. Kinukondisyon mo yung self. Uy! Hindi, kinukondisyon mo yung self mo para pag mag-work ka na, kumbaga ready to, ready to work, ganun. Kahit nasa bahay, skincare, nagsa-sunscreen, ganyan. Para healthy skin. Alam nyo na ba na yung mga dating nanonood sa akin? Oh, meron ng viewers yan. Bali, mga dating na nanonood sa akin, alam na nila yung skincare ko. So, talagang inaalagaan ko yung aking skin. Kasi nga, hindi tayo marunong mag-makeup. So, kailangan yung skin natin ready to go palagi. Ha? Ano daw? Basta yun. Ng station ko because lagi every morning sun kiss. So papakita ko sa inyo yung view ko. Wait lang. Ito ba? Sobrang ganda every morning. Ganyan yung view mo. Tapos may yung sun pa pag dito. Sobrang ganda, diba? So mag-aayos na. So, we're done with our Kenemer burger. Eating na.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. Yeah, happy Friday. Is
Yes.
it you guys it's Friday, right?
Yeah, it's Friday.
It's my pleasure. Thank you both.
Thank you. Bye. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, nakita niya naman yung mga first clips. We wake up 5:35 in the morning to jog. And after that, nung pag-uwi natin, we had our breakfast. But first pala is winok ko muna si Conan para ido niya ang kanyang business. Ayun. And then, after that, I had my breakfast. And then after that is magpe-prepare na ako sa aking work. So, it's currently, let me check, it's currently 8:43 in the morning. So, already done with our meeting with RTL. And then, yeah, basically this will be my whole day working as a work from home girly. Yeah. So, yun na nga. Samahan niyo pa ako later sa mga next videos pa. And, sana mag-enjoy ka watching this video. See you later again! So, it's already 5 p.m. And, dahil nga meron tayong outing bukas, ang gagawin ko ay next is magne-nails tayo. Ito yung mga gamit ko. Ayan, this is my nail polishes. And, the UV Kenemers. Ayan, so ito lahat yung gagamitin natin for our nails. So, samahan niyo ako mag-nails. Kung gusto niyo sumama, okay, sige, bye. Malaglag ka dyan. Sige lang. for sure. Currently, it's 8:10 in the evening. I'm done with my nails. Ayan, and also I'm done mag-dinner. Then na rin ako mag-dinner. So, kaya wala yung retainer ko. So, wala daw. Ayan, so wala yung retainer ko. And now, I'll do posting naman ang video ni Conan. So, come with me as I will edit the video of Conan to be posted today. We're done posting Conan's pictures and video for your daily dose of goodness. Next naman natin gagawin ay lashes. What's this? Samahan niyo rin ako, diba? Alam ka namang, syempre kasama na kayo sa journey ko. Here is the tweezer that we will use kapag nilagay na natin yung fake lashes natin. So, let's go! And ganyan yung kanipis yung lashes na ilalagay natin dito. Hooray! So, yes, we're done with our lashes. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Here's my lashes. Yan, so we're done. Next, ang gagawin naman natin ay, syempre, yung mga ano natin, toiletries. Yung mga pang-refill, pang-travel pack naman natin naisip natin. So, let's go. So, hi guys again. So, yun, tapos na ako mag-impake. Kala mo naman, ang daming inimpake. Ayun, tapos na ako mag-prepare ng anything na dadalhin tomorrow sa aming beach. Sa beach. And then, wala lang, gusto ko lang i-flex to. Hindi, alam kong meron din kayong ganito pag nagte-travel. Pero this one, I love bringing this toiletries with me every time that I will travel. Kasi sobrang organized niyang gamitin and hindi makalat. And I love it. Uy! Gusto ko talaga lahat naka-organize. So, ito for shampoo. Tapos meron dito for liquid soap. Then, shower gel. Liquid soap, shower gel. Ate! Tapos, facial cleanser. Tapos, nasa likod yung gamit kong conditioner. Yun lang naman yung mostly na gamit ko kapag nagta-travel ako sa toiletries ko. And syempre, toothbrush and toothpaste. So, yeah, that would be all. And then, magsha-shower na ako kasi gusto ko nang matulog para may beauty rest. So, parang, charot. Ayan, so magbe-beauty rest na tayo. And yeah, excited na ako makita yung mga friends ko, long time friends ko na hindi pa kami ulit nagkikita-kita. Siguro, bago pandemic yata kami huling nagkita-kita. Hindi ko na matandaan. Pero yeah. So, hi again guys. I'm just done with my shower tonight. So, I'm gonna do my skincare. So, yeah, come with me. Hi again guys, welcome back. So I am already done with my skincare. As you can see, yes, I'm done. And then tapos na din na tayo mga preparations natin for tomorrow's beach outing. And yeah, so basically we started our vlog na dito sa bed nakahiga kasi gumising tayo for a jog walk. And then, let's end it here then. Ayan, so, thank you for watching again a day in the life of a work from home girly. Medyo, for me, boring siya. Siyempre, araw-araw ko nang ginagawa. But then, baka may mapulot kayong kahit ano
sa mga ginagawa ko for the whole day. So, yeah, thank you so much again for watching my vlog. I hope you like it. And if you have time, you can share my video. And then, as I always say, always and forever, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And click the notification bell below para updated ka pa sa mga next vlogs na ilalabas natin. So, thank you so much again. Have a nice day and God bless you all. Good night!